Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nainja, your personal dietitian. This video is the most awaited video on this channel. This video is all about belly fat cutter drink recipe. I know a lot of you guys are waiting for this recipe, so finally I am putting up this recipe, belly fat cutter drink recipe, on my channel. I have given this recipe to some of my clients and some of my friends, and they have surely seen the difference. One thing which you have to take care is that you have to maintain a healthy lifestyle routine, healthy eating habits, and normal or general, I can say, exercise routine with this, and you will surely see the difference within 15 to 20 days. You have to drink this recipe early in the morning, empty stomach. It will be the first thing which you will have in your day. And without any further ado, let's get started with the video. And thank you so much for your love and support. We have completed 1000 subscribers on this channel, and I'm so thankful to all of you. So that is why I have planned to give, host a giveaway. There is a contest. It is very simple. All of the rules and regulations will be at the end of the video, so make sure to watch the full video. And it is very easy to participate in this contest, and I will be giving away 2 weeks of personalized diet plan. The diet plan will be according to your personalized requirement, be it the weight loss diet plan, be it the weight gain, or if you have to maintain any disease or maintain your lost weight. I will be there to help you for 2 weeks. I will give you a diet plan for 2 weeks. It will be customized and personalized, so make sure you watch the video till the end. So let's get started with the recipe now.
Okay, so this drink is very easy to make, and you will surely see the difference as I have told you. So to prepare this, we need a piece of ginger, half a lemon, apple cider vinegar, cinnamon powder, boiling hot water. You have to boil the ginger in the water, so I have already taken the water in which I have boiled the ginger, 1 inch piece of ginger, and we will use this water to make the drink. We will also add the salt. Like, if you cannot handle the taste of apple cider vinegar, you can add the salt, but I will advise you to completely avoid it. Just to start with this drink, you can add the salt to get the habit of the apple cider vinegar, and then avoid adding salt completely. So to make this drink, in this ginger water, we are going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Then give it a good stir. Now we'll add the lemon juice of half a lemon. All of these ingredients, this lemon, apple cider vinegar and cinnamon powder, they are all known as the belly fat cutter foods. So this drink is a totally win-win. Now we are going to add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to it. You can consume it as it is, or you can add the salt to balance the taste of apple cider vinegar. Again, you can avoid it completely if you can handle it without the salt. Now our drink is ready.
Okay, so I hope this recipe will help you, and please reply me back with your comments, with your feedback on this recipe. Now, as far as the contest or participation is concerned, it is very simple to participate. You have to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Share this video to all of your social media handles, and then you have to post that link in the comment section below with a good reason that why do you want this diet plan. And I will select 2 people randomly, and I will contact them. I will give you the diet plan for 2 weeks, and I hope this contest, this giveaway will be helpful for you all. So just share this video with your friends and family. Post that screenshot or that link in the comment section below with a good reason for you to get this right back. Results will be announced in the description box below of the same video at the end of the month, and you will also find the rules and regulations to participate in this video in the description box below. You can check that out, and do not forget to post your reason with the link or screenshot where you have shared this video in the comment section below, so that I can be fair enough to give my decision. So I will see you all in my next video. Till then, be happy and stay happy, and do participate in the contest.